My name is Jeanette Marie and you're watching the Jenny B channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeanette Marie and this video is a tutorial on a no makeup look, and it's a quick 5-minute video. It doesn't take very long to do it. You'll probably get it done within less than 5 minutes. So if you guys are interested in watching, then keep on watching, grab a snack, pick your poison, and let's get to the video. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I moisturized already with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Cream, which is this one. And then I went ahead and I moisturized under my eyes with the Shiseido Benefiance Wrinkle Resist 24 Intensive Eye Contour Cream. That's a long name, but this is bomb for your under eyes. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the E.l.F Beauty Shield Vitamin C Serum, which is this one. And I'm going to use a little bit of that. Don't really need that much. So I'm going to press it into my skin. Get it nice and hydrated, because we're going to go for that no makeup look, and we want to look a little bit dewy. I'm going to let that settle in for a bit. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and go in with this NYX HD Concealer. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Maybelline Dream BB Beauty Balm. It's a BB cream in the shade Light Medium. And we're going in with the Bareminerals Perfecting Face Brush. Okay, and I like to stipple this in before I blend it out. I'm going to pick up a beauty sponge and go ahead and work that in. Okay, and if you need a little bit more coverage, go back with that concealer, apply a little bit more. So once you're done and you're comfortable with the way it looks, you can add more concealer if you want to. You can use a more full coverage concealer. I just like to use a lightweight concealer. You can add more if you need to. Next thing I'm going to pick up is a spoolie. I'm not actually going to color in my eyebrows. I just like to leave them bare. And I'm just going to go ahead and comb through. Okay, since I'm pretty much done with the face, I'm going to go ahead and pick up an eyelash curler, and we're going to curl our eyelashes. We're going to go in next with the Professional Natural Lash Clear Mascara by Covergirl. And I'm just going to coat my lashes. Once we're done with that, we're going to go and go with the NYX This Is Everything Lip Oil. Apply that to our lips. We're going to use the E.l.F Illuminating Mist and Set Spray. gonna let that sink in. And then we're gonna set with the Cover FX Illuminating Spray. Shake it up. So this is the final look, looking all glowy. Like I said, this was a quick 5-minute no makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on for more videos. And you can also follow me on all my social medias, which is JennyB2187 on Snapchat, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram. You can find me there under that name. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers! I made them birds on a hill sing. And everywhere I go